So I'm reviewing a 10-foot long lightning cable by Reach Cables. I was given this product free in exchange for my honest review, so my reviews are solely my own. I've not opened this yet. I just wanted to make sure that you could see the packaging first. So it is made for iPhone, iPad, and iPod. It does not say on the front of the package which version. However, it is a lightning cable, so I know personally that a lightning cable will work for my iPad Air 2 or my iPhone 6 Plus. There's the voltages and ratings on the back for it. It is braided, it's supposed to be tangle free, supposed to have 24 karat gold plating and copper contacts, and has a transmission rate of 480 megabits per second. I won't be able to test that part of it. The rest I'll be able to. And then the 8-pin USB. And there's the listing of what it will actually work on. So it says Apple iPhone 5, 5S, 5C, 6, 6 Plus. And then obviously now that the new ones are out, they are lightning connectors as well. So it should work for them. Should be fine for the Apple iPad mini, Retina, iPad 4, and iPad Air. And Apple iPod 7, iOS 8, which I'm now on iOS 9. So, you know, the packaging's a little old, but that's what happens with technology. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. So I had actually cut it open, which kind of sucks, but that's just how any kind of technology product is any day. It's not easy to open, probably just because of theft. So at first glance, it almost looks like shoelaces. It feels like almost like a strong or thick shoelace, which personally I really like the feel of that because it's not like your typical plastic, like this charger would be. So that's an OEM charger. When you compare the two, very similar in size, but the feel of it kind of feels more durable and more permanent because it's got that cottony braided texture to it. I'm going to go ahead and untie this so that we can see the connectors a little bit up closer. Okay, so there's the lightning connector, which looks pretty similar to my OEM charger. We'll go ahead and do it side by side. So here's the OEM charger just up close for you. So that's the OEM on the left, and then this braided charger on the right. So that's the plug-in part, and then the actual connectors. Size-wise, the plug itself looks a little bigger on this braided cable 10-foot cord, but the actual metal piece that plugs in looks to be the same size. So that's not a huge issue for me that they're different sizes. Let's look at the USB. So if we do the USB side by side, on the right side is my OEM. On the left is the 10-foot cable. So there again, it's a little bit bigger. It's not as slim and compact as Apple's charger. And there's the insides, which I believe is supposed to be gold. On the left is the 10-foot charger. On the right is the OEM. But, you know, similar looks. So now for the important part, we want to make sure that it actually works. So I'm going to test it out on my iPad Air 2. There we go. So it must have been just the lip for my cover. And then it does not come with the actual wall part. So I'm going to plug. Alright, and I heard the telltale bling bling. And it's charging. So that is our 10-foot cable, which, I mean, I've only got it about 2 feet away, 1 foot away. So I've got plenty of slack. It doesn't feel like it's going to tangle because, I mean, it was all It does seem to hold its shape a little bit because it's still holding the shape from the package. So because of that, I'm going to give it 4 stars. If it didn't hold its shape and it loosened up a little bit better, it would totally get 5 stars for me. But I really like this fabricy feel of it. And that's my dog.